Install metal roofing. This metal roofing article is a snippet. Complete the article to earn cash. An alternative to common asphalt roofing, metal roofing carries definite advantages. Not only can it efficiently keep your house colder during hot summers, but owing to its resilience to unpleasant weather, it can also outlast asphalt roofing. This combination of performance and longevity makes it increasingly appealing. Despite its advantages, it is still harder to find. There are 4 kinds of metal roofing: aluminum, copper, galvanized steel, and cool metal. Their costs, aesthetic options, and levels of performance vary. If you are an expert on the topic of metal roofing, please apply to write this article. Your published articles will earn you money. Earn more money by writing more articles. Learn more. Related available topics: how to install roofing shingles, how to install and repair slate roofing.